Getting roughly about 43 miles to the gallon. You can see it there. The shutter is displaying. And we're at 160,885 miles. Let's take a look at the engine. Make sure we're open. We're in Delaware County. Engine is running. That's what she looks like. There's L16 oil. Just a little dust. Still looking good. So far, we're doing better than we did with the Corolla. Well, we're driving a lot less miles than we were when we had the Corolla, going from Philly to New York to Jersey to Virginia, then back to Philly, and then eventually from Virginia to Delaware. But that's how she's looking so far. That's her. Again, Delaware County. Yeah, you can see right there, 160,885. Now, the most common thing most common maintenance I perform on my vehicle is the oil change. Now, if I take it to someone, a particular place, they charge me $108 to do an oil change. Now, I can do the oil change myself, which I'll be doing the next interval, which is coming up probably this Saturday. I could do my oil change for $60. So it's definitely worth doing oil change myself. It was just at the time and I was putting the oil change off, which again, it's just an excuse. I just didn't feel like doing it. So, and I had to pick the dish out $108. So that's with no taxes. So this time, within, I guess this Saturday, I'll get it done. I'll do it myself. And I'm not sure if we're going to record it. May record it. And I've done a few oil changes on this channel. You may be interested in my technique, but everything's going good with the car, running smooth. I mentioned in my previous video about slight vibration. That's because of the tires. The tires are pretty much like worn down to the point where they should be replaced. I don't know if you can see. They're about at that. Let me see. You see my finger. They're about at there, and it's an all-wheel drive vehicle. Tire rotations needed, but it's a slight annoyance, which is really not even an annoyance. It's just I notice it sometimes. So a little vibration, hit the brakes. That's some new tires we're gonna need soon, and the tires, when I got them changed previously, I was under the impression that every time you change the tires, you need a wheel alignment. When I got the tires changed, I think I got them at Firestone. What was it? Firestone, and then I got it at, where did I get it? I forget where I got the previous tires from. I think this is my third set of tires on here, I believe. Or is this my second? I forget actually. But either way, when I got the tires changed, all four changed, and I normally do all four at a time. I do the rotation, and then I do the rotation once, and then I do the tire change. Now, that's if I drive a lot of miles. Now, if I do less miles, then I'm gonna do multiple tire rotations. But we're at the point where should I do a tire rotation just because of the wear? Now when you brake, when you stop the car, how circular the tire is, how round it is, and evenly worn the tire is going to determine the smoothness of your braking. All right, and there can be other same things wrong with the suspension also. But from my particular situation, I believe it's just the tires. All right, slight vibration when I come to when I'm slowing down. Doesn't happen all the time, and it happens at certain speed ranges. That's those are most likely the tires. All right, and I've experienced it before. Tire changed. Before I change the tires, braking is smooth. All right, and we're only at 160,000 miles, so we're good on that. So besides that, everything else is going pretty good. Now I do need the rear, what is that, differential back here. That has grease or oil back there. All right, that needs to be changed. And the transmission, get that right here. Come on. That's super dusty. All right, that's better. Up here, you have the ECVT fluid, which is not hydraulic. It is, let me turn this fan off because I'm getting extra noise. It acts as a lubricant in the Toyotas. All right, they're not in the Toyotas. They're not a hydraulic fluid. And the Toyota hybrids, excuse me, Toyota hybrids are not hydraulic fluid. They are lubricant. All right, because it's like a electronic transmission. Sometimes the electric motor is driving, sometimes the engine is driving the vehicle, or a combination of both. So that's how the Toyota hybrids work. But you can see that's what it's doing right now. Engine is charging the battery. We're idling because the battery is low. That's the graphical representation, but now I don't know how accurate it is. Well, I think it's more cells than that. That's a rough. It's not supposed to be actually accurate. That's a rough animation on